Hey there, streaming enthusiasts. Experiencing a glitch where your stream doesn't show up in OBS with Wavelink? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix when stream doesn't show for OBS with Wavelink and walk through the troubleshooting steps will get your stream back on track. Step 1. Check your software setup. The first step in solving the streaming issue is to ensure your software is properly set up. Start by checking if OBS, that's Open Broadcaster Software, and Wavelink are both updated to their latest versions. Outdated software can often cause compatibility issues. Once updated, restart your computer to apply any necessary changes. Now open OBS and navigate to the audio settings. Verify that Wavelink virtual channels are indeed selected as audio sources. This step is crucial as incorrect settings may result in audio not being captured correctly. Step 2. Configure audio routing in Wavelink. The next step involves configuring the audio routing correctly in the Wavelink software. Open the Wavelink application and check that your audio inputs are correctly assigned. You should see channels dedicated to different audio sources, such as microphones and any other audio devices you might use. Ensure that you have designated channels for your stream audio and monitor audio. In the Sources panel of OBS, add an input capture source for each relevant Wavelink virtual output. This process will ensure OBS is capturing the correct audio output. Step 3. Verify audio source in OBS. After adjusting the settings in Wavelink, it's crucial to confirm that OBS is picking up these adjustments. Double-check the audio mixer section in OBS. If you cannot see any activity in the audio levels for your Wavelink channels, attempt removing and re-adding the audio input capture source until the proper audio flow appears. Another tip is to toggle the monitoring settings in OBS. Right-click on your audio source, choose Advanced Audio Properties, and ensure that both Monitor and Output or Monitor Only are selected depending on your specific configuration needs. Step 4. Test and troubleshoot issues. Once your configuration is set, it's time to test the output. Run a test stream or recording in OBS to ensure audio and video are functioning as expected. If issues persist, consider running a program or utility like Windows Sound Settings to verify that your computer outputs are routed correctly to the desired devices. In scenarios where the problem remains unsolved, consult forums or community resources such as OBS and Wavelink support centers, where you can post concerns and browse solutions offered by other users. We've navigated through the process of tackling how to fix when stream doesn't show for OBS with Wavelink. By ensuring that your software is up to date, configuring your Wavelink audio routing properly, verifying settings in OBS, and troubleshooting lingering issues, you can get your stream flowing smoothly once more. Remember, issues like these can often seem frustrating, but with patience and systematic troubleshooting, resolution is easily within reach. Good luck and happy streaming.